Good evening.
Hello.
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. So guys, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, guys, I hope many people practiced yesterday night. Okay. I hope many people they didn't face any issue. Okay, good. So daily you can practice like this. Okay. So, but regarding interview questions, I could see very, limited responses from your end. Out of 50 people are there, right? In that, I could see only very few. Try to prepare answers, everyone, so that what will happen, you are going to learn more. Okay. Okay. Now, so let me recap what we discussed in yesterday's session. Okay, guys. Last session, what we discussed about how to sign up with this Anypoint platform account. After that,
Yeah, how to create a
API.
very good.
API.
How to create a RESTful API.
RESTful.
Okay.
Yes.
In this, we discussed, how to test our API within, right? Any questions here?
Hello.
Yes. Your voice is too low.
Hello.
Yes.
Audible now?
Yeah, better.
So in response is 200%, 500%.
Okay.
అయితే సో ప్రతి ఎండ్ పాయింట్ మనం క్రియేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ప్రతి ఎండ్ పాయింట్ కి 200 500 ఇలా రాసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాలా అంటే
200 that is mandatory. Okay, you have to.
సో మనకు రిక్వైర్మెంట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు 200 అనేది మ్యాండేటరీ ఉంటుంది, మిగతా హెచ్టిటిపి కోడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అంటే 401 201 ఇవనేది
ఆప్షనల్. కరెక్ట్.
సో అది రిక్వైర్మెంట్ బేస్ చేసుకొని రాస్తారు.
Very good. Based on the business requirement, we have to write it. If they will provide that in the spreadsheet, we have to write it, or else you can leave it.
సో ఆ మెసేజ్ కింద మెసేజ్ సెక్షన్ అంటే JSON లో మనం మెసేజ్ రాస్తాం కదా బాడీలో.
Yes.
ఆ మెసేజ్ కూడా వాళ్ళు ఇస్తారా, మనం రాయాలా, అది ఎలాగో?
Those are all they will provide. I will show you some real time APIs, so that time you will come to know.
ఓకే. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ ఆర్డర్స్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆ ఎండ్ పాయింట్ కి 500 వచ్చిందంటే ఆ 500 కి మనం రాసిన మెసేజ్ వెళ్తుంది అంతే.
Yes.
ఓకే.
Yeah. Okay, guys, let me start this session. So I'm gonna log in with this Anypoint platform account. So I'll click on start design. Last time I selected this, right? If I came here, I selected design center. Now I'll click on this start design. So both will take to you same page. See, we created calculator program, right? Let me open that. Okay. So here you are not going to save anything. Okay. By default, it will save everything. Okay. Can you see here? Here it will rotate, right? See the moment. See, now it is rotating something. See, can you see here? So automatically it is going to save everything. See, now we created like this, right? So if you want to create any kind of API, what are the things required?
Resource path.
Very good.
Method.
Resource path.
That request response.
Request response. HTTP status.
HTTP status.
Perfect. Okay. So if you want to construct any kind of API, we need a resource path, method, request, response, and then HTTP status codes. So based on the business requirement, we created our API. Now we need to test our API. Let me click on this, try it. So here I will provide some dummy value, and then if I click on send, so it is going to be executed and I will get the result. Okay. Now, as a developer, I can test this, but whatever we design, see, this is the addition, calculator program. In this, we created one endpoint. Okay. Now, again, this is the interview question. If you go with 1 year or 2 year experience, they may ask you question, what is endpoint? Today's interview question, just make a note. What is endpoint? Okay. You can see it here. See, API endpoints. What do you mean by endpoint? Okay, this you can prepare answer. Just 1 or 2 lines, that's it. Okay. Now we successfully created API. Now we want to share this API to client. Okay. So he need to test, right, whether based on his requirement we fulfilled or not, right? So how you are going to share this to that guy?
Exchange.
No.
Through Exchange?
Publish.
No, if we publish to Exchange, what will happen? People who and all will have access to the design center, they can only access this. Okay. Others, they cannot access. See, you cannot access my API at this moment, right?
We should provide more URL.
Guys, go on mute. I told you right yesterday also. You have to sit in a proper place.
Postman.
Now, Postman, we can test this application externally. See, Postman is for what? Whatever we are building, that we need to test it. That testing I can do it here itself, right? I am getting the output.
API manager.
No.
We will
Okay.
provide
URL provide cheyala, sir.
Yes, we need to provide the URL. Okay. How you need to provide this? See, can you see? You got this requested URL, right? Commands. Okay, what I'll do, I'm going to paste in the chat box. Can someone hit this URL? Let me hit. See what it is showing? No organization ID, header phone. Okay. So if you want to share this URL, what we need to do? We need to mock this service.
local service.
Guys, go on mute. Yeah. Satvik, I'm getting some noise. Okay. Next. So here we need to mock this URL. Now, again, this is the interview question. So what is mocking? So mocking is nothing but it is a temporary URL. Okay. Mocking is nothing but it is a temporary URL to provide to client or end user. So where you will get this mocking option? Can you click on the setting option? Can you see mocking service configuration? Just click on this. You just make this as a public. Okay. The moment you make it public, what will happen? You will get one link. So just copy this link. Okay. And then you can test it in the Postman. So let me open this Postman. Okay, so we have to open this Postman. So how to download this Postman? I will tell you. Just come to Google. Just type Postman download. Okay. So the moment you click on this download option, so you will get this link. So try to download this. Once you download this, you will get this. Just open this. So here we need to provide that URL. Whatever you configured, you have to provide it. So now if you click on this send, what will happen? Again, you will get error. See 404 not. The requested resource could not found. Why? Because just we are hitting the URL here. We are not providing the proper resource path. Okay. Proper resource path means
Provide any name.
see, suppose in calculator we do have different resource path, right? Maybe addition, subtraction, multiplication. So we did not
Yes.
provide anything. So now what you have to do, just come back here. Okay, just copy this resource path. Okay, and then paste it. Again, if you click on this send, you will get error. See, method not found. Which method I used here?
Get method or post.
Post. Get method.
Get
I
method.
used put method.
We need to
You
use,
have to put. You have to put.
yes.
Method.
So click on this drop down, you will get so many options. Select the method. So now if I click on send, again I may get error,
request response.
bad request. Why? Because
Values.
here, see, required parameter number one
Number
is,
one is missing.
so we need to provide the number one. So here you just copy paste that number one, or else you just type it. So let me copy this. Guys, go on mute. So number one. Okay, here I can provide some value. Okay, similarly, number two I will provide, and then I'm going to enter some value. Now, the moment if I hit on the send button, what will happen? Automatically we can execute this. See, result is
one question here actually. మీరు అక్కడ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కానీ వాల్యూ ఇచ్చారు కదా, సో why it is asking for number one again?
Same question.
Default value ఇచ్చారు కదండి.
1 second. Default value ఇస్తే అది internal గా it will take internally.
Okay.
See, now what we are trying to access this application externally, right?
Okay.
So that's why let me go back again. So click on try it. See, here it is taking, here I'm not providing anything. Understood? So but this is external, so that's why we need to provide it. This will not understand, right, whether it will have default value or not.
Sir,
Okay.
result 20 వచ్చింది sir.
Because we did not implement any business logic here. Even if you test your application, see 34 plus 25, how much? 59. 59. The moment I click on send, I will get result is 20 only. Why? Because whatever I provided in the response, we are getting
Sir,
same.
అక్కడ వాల్యూ చేంజ్ చేస్తే అక్కడ ఏది ఉంటే అదే
Correct. See, suppose
రిజల్ట్ దగ్గర మనం ఓకే
కోడ్ ఏమి ఇవ్వలేదు.
yeah. If I change it 200, now if I click on send, I'll get 200.
200 only.
Bad request.
No. Here I didn't pause this. Okay. Now see, if I click on this, we'll get 200. See?
Yes.
Sir, in external also we get 200 only, right?
Yes, correct. Now let me hit this. So you got it 200.
సో డిజైనింగ్ పేజ్ లో డెవలప్మెంట్ అనేది ఉండదు, ఓన్లీ
Yes.
ఫర్ ద డిజైన్.
See, design is nothing but blueprint of your API.
ఓకే ఓకే
In our terminology, apart from MuleSoft, it is blueprint of your house or blueprint of your villa. Okay. In the design, we cannot, build anything, right? Based on the design, once design is finalized, then what we will do? We are going to start, constructing the house, right?
Yes.
Similarly, here what will happen? We just constructed a API here, and this is just a design. Okay. Client, what he will understand? Okay, if I pass this, okay, if I pass this query parameters, I am getting this response. Okay.
Yeah.
So now client is what is thinking, hey, result is 200, right? Client will give the feedback saying that instead of result is, you just write it addition is. Okay. That feedback you will get it from the client. So the moment you got it that, so immediately you have to come here, you just change it here.
Sir, is it possible to call with default values?
Sorry?
Can we call externally with default values?
No.
Okay.
Click on this. Whatever. I didn't provide the second one. Okay. Now, if I click on send, I will get, see, addition is 200. Now see, again I need to share this URL to the client, then client will test this.
Addition
Okay,
is
addition
200.
is 200. Now what client will say, okay, design is perfect, then you just go ahead and do the development activity. So the moment we got confirmation from the client end, we need to start our development. Okay, not only client, whether if you got approval from your higher authority, then you can go with this. Understood?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
మీరు ఇక్కడ రిసోర్స్ పాత్ లో అడిషన్ ఇచ్చారు కదా నేమ్.
Yes.
సపోజ్ అక్కడ మనం డివిజన్ ఇచ్చాం అనుకోండి.
Okay, in case
మనకి
there, then you will get it.
is there any difference in result?
Obviously, see, instead of this addition, if I make division here, it will throw error because there is no
Error.
resource path like this division.
No, I'm not asking about this, sir. Previous one.
In the design center
Yes.
here,
If we give division here,
nothing will happen. See, this is the just a resource path. Yesterday I told you, right?
just name only that.
That is just a name, that's it. Even if you
Provide
want,
any name.
you can keep your name also. See, now if I test this, it will work. One second.
సార్ రిజల్ట్ ఇప్పుడు హియర్ ఎడిషన్ ఇచ్చారు కదా ఇక్కడ,
Yes.
అక్కడ మనం ఇక్కడ ఎడిషన్ ఇచ్చారు కదా, సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ డివిజన్ ఇస్తే ఎర్రర్ వస్తుందా సార్?
No. See, whatever you will write, it will print. If you
Okay.
write like this,
Okay.
same it will
Understand.
print. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now you will get division, some values you will get. So let me click on this. So you will get 200. See, division, whatever you wrote it is 200. You got it right.
Okay.
Now same if you test in the Postman, this time will not get error. Why? Because division resource path is there. Let me click on. See, division is okay. So now what I'll do, I am going to share this link with you. Okay. So you can test it same application in the Postman. If you have Postman, you just try it, or else let me try here in the Google. So in the Google, what will happen? We are not able to find this. Why? Because method we are not able to pass here in the Google, right? So that's why we are not getting this. In Google Chrome also you can test this application. It will work only for get method. Okay. But whatever the URL I shared with you, okay, that URL, if you have Postman, you can test it this application tomorrow. It will work for you. Okay. So again, what I'll do again,
case sensitive.
No, I told you, right? That is name. You can provide anything.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, again, I'll write addition. Okay. So what I'll do, I'm going to keep it as get method. Okay. Now I'm going to construct, one more.
Can you repeat once again why that URL is not working in the browser?
Browser, you cannot select the methods, right? You don't have. See, I used a put method, right? In the browser, where you will get option to provide that method. See, if I click on this, you are not able to select the method, right? So that's why you have to use the Postman. Okay.
So there is no any other way ఇక్కడ మనకి మెసేజ్ డిస్ప్లే అవడానికి Chrome లో?
No. You have to use Postman or advanced REST client.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, ఇది ఓన్లీ గెట్ మెథడ్ నే
Sorry.
ఇది ఓన్లీ గెట్ మెథడ్ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తుందా సార్?
Browser just forget it. Okay. You will get so many confusion. Okay. If you want to test your application internally, you can test it here by using this endpoint. You can test it. But if you want to test your application externally, you have to use the Postman. Got it?
సార్ ఒకసారి మాకింగ్ ఒకసారి చెప్పరా సార్?
Yeah. Again, I'll show you. Okay. Again, I'm going to repeat this 3 times. Okay. For each and every. See, yesterday we created addition, right? continuation, we are going to create subtraction. Okay.
Subtraction.
So yesterday one guy, he wrote,
Continuously, we can do others also, other programs also that we can do.
yes, that's what. If I finish this class, you will understand. Okay. So today I noticed, one guy directly he made a resource path here, saying that subtraction. Okay, resource path always you can start it in the beginning of the line. Okay, see now there is no error. Okay, subtraction. So this is the resource path. So what is the next one?
Method.
Guys, go on mute. See, if you are sitting in a good place, then only you can unmute yourself. Okay, I'm getting huge noise. Mute all. Okay. So subtraction, hit enter. You can see all the methods. So first time here I used get method, right? So here I'll go with the put method. Let me click on this put method. Next. What is the next step?
Request.
Sarita, go on mute. Okay. So resource path, method, then request. Request in the form of
Query parameters.
query parameters. See guys, just now I told you more than 3 times. Okay, I'm getting some baby noise. See, if you are not able to speak, fine. Okay, you just chat in the chat box, you can message it. Okay, but don't unmute it. It will record everything. If someone will listen, it will not be. Next, number 1. Okay, this number 1 is, again we have to write the type. What is this type?
Integer.
Okay, this time I'll go with the number. I already used integer here, right? So this time I'll go with the number. Okay, next, required.
True.
If you type tree, false, nothing will happen. You can select false. Okay,
This is a dummy.
everything is dummy, correct. Next, number 2. See, this is very basic. Okay, first you want to handy with the studio, so that's why I'm explaining these kind of programs. Type, again you can go with this integer. Required, you can make it as false. Next, so resource path is done, method is done, request is done. Next, response, it is not coming.
Query parameter.
We should follow indentation.
Correct. So if you are not writing the proper intelligence, you are making some mistake. So you just go there, you just write it here. Responses 200 body application JSON example. So here you can write example message. Okay, subtraction is
number 1 దగ్గర number అని ఇచ్చే టైప్, number 2 దగ్గర integer అని ఇచ్చారు. No problem, sir.
No problem. Anything you want to know the difference, that's why I give it. Okay,
Thank you.
Yeah, so now see, I created this. For this, let me write 400. Next, body application JSON. If you type
JSON కి బదులుగా XML పెట్టుకోవచ్చు కదా అక్కడ.
XML, we'll discuss in tomorrow session. We'll go with step by step. Next, here
Bad request.
simply you can write add request. Okay, so now I want to test my application. Now if I click on this summary, you will find out two endpoints. Can you see? Addition, subtraction. Now we need to test this subtraction, right? Click on this put method, try it. So here I'm not going to pass anything here and the number 1, number 2. Let me click on send. What will happen? See,
Bad
200
request.
success.
we'll get 200. Why? Because these are all optional fields. Required, we made it as false. Understood? So that's why even though if you are not provide anything also, you will get the success response.
And also you keep the false, so here optional is available.
Yes, correct. If you make it as required,
Okay. So
Yeah.
true ఇచ్చినప్పుడు కంపల్సరీగా మనం వాల్యూస్ అనేది ఇవ్వాలి.
yes. I think by default it will be false. Okay.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Even though, see, let me remove this required. Okay. Here also let me remove this. Okay. Now what I'll do, again I'm going to test my application from scratch. Let me go with the put method, try it,
Yes.
click on this and we are getting bad request. Why?
By default, it will be true.
Very good. By default, it will not be false. It will be true. Okay. Even though if you are not providing anything also, by default, it will be true. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can I change the lines of type and
Sorry.
required and type lines? Can I change it?
Yeah. Order you are talking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can do that.
In place of type, I can write required. Okay.
Yeah. This is what you are expecting, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me write the true. Now in the
Will it be any problem or not?
no problem.
Okay.
See, indentation you need to follow, but order your wish. Okay.
Okay.
So now what I'll do, see, the moment I click on this required equal to true, you can see this is the mandatory field. Guys, go on mute. See, simply it is wasting your time. Okay. Okay. Now see, required is true.
Yeah, Kishore, one small doubt.
Yes.
So actually I'm doing the programming similarly. So I just created a put method for the subtraction. For the response 200, after the example, I didn't set the curly braces. I just directly given the description testing. Just a simple message, description.
Here you're talking.
I didn't use those curly braces. I didn't get any error.
No, you have to use it. This is the syntax. Up to here, you should not change anything.
Okay, actually it is not recommending any braces, so I just tried without braces.
No, it's not like this. I will tell you, instead of this, what you can do, without braces also, you can use this. That little advance, I can say. Maybe tomorrow class we will cover. Understood? Without this braces also, directly you can write it. How you are going to write, that I'll tell you.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Small request.
Yeah, so because of that only, I couldn't see that message
correct.
In the try it option, right?
Yes.
I see only get, not put to test it out.
No, method you can use anything. For today, yesterday and today, whatever I explained, just you can practice it. Okay. Tomorrow we will go little advanced. That time we are going to change with this. First, you have to learn the basic syntax. Okay.
A small request, sir, like doubt section we'll keep it in the last. Actually, we చెప్తున్నప్పుడు కొంచెం అందరూ ఒకేసారి అడుగుతుంటే కొంచెం disturbance.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Okay. So if you have any queries, what you can do, you can ask me, at the end of the session, or else if you forgot that, you can post in the chat box. See, Ramesh posted, Ganesh posted. Okay.
We'll respond only for your questions, sir.
Yeah, that I will cover it. so that it will be session will go very smoothly. Now huge audience are there, right? Okay, I will take all your questions definitely. Okay, so now let me explain this. Okay, here we wrote, right? Now can you see the moment we wrote required? Can you see this is the required field? For this I did not mention required. Okay, that means this is also a required field. While filling up any online application, if you see hashtag means that is the required field, correct or not?
Yes.
If you are not providing that value, what will happen? It will throw error, right? Here also, can you see if I am not providing any value, it will give bad request again. See, now what I'll do, so instead of this type, okay, let me show you again. I'll write type required, I'll make it as false. See, the moment I select false, automatically for number 2, what will happen? This is not mandatory. Can you see hashtag gone? Earlier it was there, right? That means even though if you are not providing this required, it will be always true. Okay, why I told you very first time, some people already gone through my video, so I thought I expected answer from them. Only one guy told me. Okay, fine. Now you understood, right? We need to provide this value 25. You can write any value 25. If you click on the send, so you got 200. That means this is success. So now you guys tell me from 36 line to till this, any questions? Because I completed this topic, that's why I'm asking. Any questions here? You can ask me now.
Why it is we can go for get, right? Why only put it?
That's what I told you, right? First, this is just your understanding purpose. Okay, you can use any one method. Okay, but going going forward, I will tell you which method you want to use, why you want to use. Okay, see, if I want to explain all this method, first I want to tell you what is this get method. Okay, what is the limitation of get method, what is post method, what is the use of post method. Okay, if I explain all this now, okay, we are not able to finish this class. So that's why for time being you can keep anything, get or post, whatever it may be. In coming classes we will learn. Okay, got it?
Yeah, got it. Thanks.
Yeah.
So in an API, how many methods can we use?
You can use n number of methods, depends on your requirement.
Okay, good.
Okay, if you go to restaurant, how many items you will eat? That depends on you. Okay, here also same way, based on requirement, there is no limitation here. Okay.
సార్ విచ్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేయాలనేది మనకు ఎట్లా తెలుసు?
నేను చెప్పాను కదండి ఇందాకే, అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ అడగద్దు. ఓకేనా, ఇది ఏ మెథడ్ ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయాలి అంటే ఈ మెథడ్స్ అన్ని మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి. ఐ వాంట్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఆల్ దిస్ మెథడ్స్. I will take separate session, I will explain. This is just practice purpose. Try to understand what I am saying. You, without any error, you have to design the API. That is my intention here, first 2 classes. Got it? So your question is valid, I can understand. When you want to go with get method, when you want to go with post method, I'll take separate session for that. We will learn there. Here my intention is, you want to construct API with the proper format, with the proper syntax, and you have to get the successful response. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, got it. Okay, thank you. Next.
Sir, business logic grammar lo kuda raste vastunda?
I told you so many times, business logic will be implemented in the development only.
Okay. Okay, sir.
We cannot implement. If we implement everything here, why you want to go with the development?
Okay.
Okay. Next, see, once we constructed this API, we have to test this. After testing, what we need to do?
We need to send the link to client.
You should not say like this. One second, hold on. Whatever, hold on. Whatever she told correct, we need to share that link to the client. But in the technical term, okay, we should not say like this. Today onwards, from day one onwards, you can, use technical terms so that you can crack the interview very easily. So once we complete this API, okay, what we need to do? Someone need to review this API. Okay. So now here, if you take a design life cycle, can someone may ask you in the interview question, can you explain the life cycle of a design? Okay. In that case, we have to tell them first, we have to design the API based on the client requirement. The moment we design that, we need to send that API to the business review. Okay. So if you want to send our API to the client, what we need to do? We need to mock that URL. So what do you mean by mocking? Mocking means to provide a temporary URL to client applications. So click here. Okay. Already I made it as, just copy this, link is copied. Now come to the Postman, click on the plus button. So paste the URL. Okay. Now here what we need to provide? So here I have two endpoints, right? So which one I want to select? Which one I want to test? The subtraction.
Subtraction.
So just copy the subtraction and then paste it. Okay. This is subtraction. What we need to pass? We need to pass query parameters. Number 1, number 2, right?
Yes.
So now what I'll do, I'll come back here. I'm going to copy this. See, if you have patience, you can type it. Okay. Now, number 1. Okay. You can provide some dummy value. Next, similarly, you can paste number 2. And then you can write 25. Now, click on the send button. What happened? Method not found. Which method we used for this subtraction? Put method. So click on this, select the put method. See, the moment whatever we did wrong, everything we can see here. Can you see here? Status code 405, method is not allowed. By seeing this, you have to come to know, okay, instead of this, you gave some other method. Okay. Can you see code method not found? Error trying to find the get method. Okay. So there is no method which is related to get. So now we have to change this and then test it. Now you will get the 200 success. See, subtraction is 10, but this is based on the design. Now, can you see? Actually 25 minus 25, it should print 0, right? So if you want to get 0 here, you have to implement the business logic. If you want to implement this business logic, you have to use this studio. Got it? So now, first 1 week, we are going to focus on only design center. Once we are familiar with this design, then we will move to the development. So now you know, right, how to mock this URL, how to test your application. If you have any questions in this area, please let me know.
Yeah.
So
okay. Mock
okay. So mocking means just click the setting symbol here. Can you see here?
Yeah.
Click on the settings, copy this URL. That's it. So by default, if you do very first time, it will be like this. Guys, go on mute. See, one guy asked me question, why remaining people on mute? Please mute. Okay. So you just click on the setting symbol, copy this URL and paste it in the Postman. And then whatever you want to test it, you can test it. See, now what will happen? Now, same I am going to implement for one more endpoint, that is multiplication. So here what I will do, here I'm not going to type anything. Can someone guide me? Only one person. If you are confident, you just raise a hand. Okay, you just tell me. Only one member. Anyone?
Resource path.
I don't want to get any background noise from the end. Okay.
Resource path.
Resource
Okay.
path multiplication given next taken.
Okay,
Yeah.
Reddy, you just go on. Remaining, please go on.
Okay.
Okay, Reddy. Yeah. First, what I need to write here?
Resource path multiplication
Slash
multiplication resource path semicolon and enter.
semicolon. Very good. Now,
And then method
okay. Method I need to
here
select.
get completed, put completed next after put
Okay, let me go with the delete.
post method like this.
Okay.
Get completed, post completed,
Okay, I selected delete.
delete method.
Then
body
parameters.
so query
Query
parameter next
Very good.
request query method.
Okay.
Number.
Okay, number one,
Yes.
number two.
Copy
So
this.
instead of typing, I'm copy pasting. Don't copy paste, you guys.
Okay.
Till 3 days, you have to type it by your own. Okay.
Okay.
Again, I'm getting some noise.
సార్ క్వెరీ పారామ్స్ కాకుండా యూఆర్ఏ పారామ్స్ యాడ్ చేయరు.
చెప్తానండి కమింగ్ క్లాసెస్ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ వెళ్దాం. నెక్స్ట్
రెస్పాన్స్.
Even a response.
2
here
body
application JSON. For example, here floor bracket open and message.
Okay.
Here multiplication.
Got it.
Multiplication for message.
Now you understood the concept. Thank you. Go on, meet. Multiply is 85, 58, anything. Okay. Next here, I don't want to write status code. Okay, I'll leave it as it is. Then I'll come back here. I'll click this space summary. I could see 3 endpoints. Get, put, delete. Let me test this delete. Try it. So number 1 is mandatory. I need to provide it. Number 2 is not mandatory. Click on send. I got 200. Okay, 58. Internally, I tested this. Now I need to send this API for business review. So client or your manager or architect, he is going to review this. For this, we need to send the mock URL. So how to mock this API? Click on this mocking service configurations. So already we selected, copy this. Just directly paste in the Teams or through how you are going to communicate to him. You can share this. And if they want to test anything, they can use. So suppose in my case, I want to test this way, multiply. Okay. Now we need to provide number 1, number 2, right? Okay, let me copy this number 1. Next.
In URL 2 slashes, sir.
Yes. Intentionally I wrote it. Okay. If I click on send, I will get error.
Change method.
Delete method. Delete. Even though if I click on send, we'll get error. Can you see resource path is not found? Why? Because I gave double slashes here. Can you see? Resource, I told you write syntax. Always we need to write 1 slash. Now click on send, I will get the output. See, multiply is 58. Okay. Now I am going to write again division. Still, if anyone having any questions, you can ask me after this. So now let me write division. Okay. So here I'm using method called patch. Then
request query parameters.
Let me copy this. I'll copy everything instead of writing. But don't copy paste, you guys. Okay. So here division is 5. Okay, now what I will do, I'll come back here, try it. So here 5, I'll click on the send. 200. Okay, sorry, I tested a different one.
Delayed one.
Patch, try it, provide some value, and then click on send. See, we got it. Then we need to mock this. Mocking means anyway same URL, right? Already we do have here, right? What I'll do, I'll make this tab as duplicate. Right click, duplicate it. So same tab you will get it. Instead of this delete, let me change the method patch and then write
Division.
Division.
Division you have to mention slash.
Very good.
They have to change the.
Sounds good. Division, division. Okay.
Question mark needed, sir.
Question mark is nothing but query parameter. Here we are passing query parameter, right? So that's why it will come automatically. In the first class, I explained what is this query parameter. Query parameter is nothing but question mark. See, suppose already explained you. Let me repeat it. See, suppose if I want to download Postman, what I type? Postman download. See, the moment, can you see here in the set question mark q is equal to Postman plus download. It is passing query parameter like this. So instead of this Postman download, if I write cricket, this entire UI will be changed. See, this is the query parameter question mark. Okay, understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so now almost we completed all these methods, right? Okay, here what I did, okay, 200, 500 also, how it came. Okay, one more thing. Sorry. Okay, now see, there are so many error codes are there, right? 500. Let me write one more. Okay, here I can change to 400. Okay, again I will change to 404. Okay, see, like this, 400, 404, 500. Okay, I am going to add for all these methods. Or else let me remove this 401 because we do not have it. Okay, for multiply, same. Okay, for division also same. Okay, now see, almost how many lines of code was there? 167. Okay, so as a best practice, if you construct any kind of application, your root file, always it will be sweet and short. Okay, we should not write so many lines of code in the root file.
Small doubt, sir.
Yes.
సార్ అది మనం కంటిన్యూస్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఒకసారి స్ట్రక్ అవుతుంది, మనం కీబోర్డ్ లో ఏది ప్రెస్ చేసినా అది వర్కౌట్ కాదు, అది ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి సార్?
It will not stuck. Okay, where it is stuck?
For example, I am doing previous enter the program, sir.
See,
Okay.
if you are not doing anything until 2 or 3 minutes, ideally it is it will block there. You have to click on edit, then you can continue.
Publish, click and publish, sir.
Edit space, edit space.
Edit. You just click on that edit so that it will allow you to edit something.
Wait, sorry, edit table.
Even if you are not able to open, if you are not able to touch this computer, so whatever the default time will be there, it will wait up to. After that, system will be locked automatically, right? For this API also, same, it will be applicable. Okay.
సార్ ఎడిషన్ అది ఎడిట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది సార్ ఒకసారి చూడండి.
ఇది ఐడియల్ స్టేట్కి వెళ్తే తెలుస్తుంది ఎలా చూపిస్తాం, ఇప్పుడు చూపినీకి ఉండదు. ఇక్కడ నీకు
పబ్లిష్ ఉంటుంది, రైట్ సైడ్ ఉంటుంది సార్.
నో
క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ దగ్గర
గైస్ గో ఆన్ మ్యూట్. ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఉండదు, ఓకేనా? సో యు విల్ గెట్ వన్ yellow line here. Okay, once it is
Okay. So that time yellow line.
Okay. So up to now clear, right? So to construct any kind of API, any questions still?
Clear.
Everyone. Don't ask other questions now. Whatever up to now I explained, any questions, any doubts, let me know. Because this is very basic, very, very important.
So could you please explain that required true false once again?
Okay.
What happens?
Okay. By default, always it will be true. Okay. Even though if you provide required equal to true, if you give required equal to true, or if you didn't mention also, by default it will be true. Okay. If you, instead of this true, if you make it false, what will happen? Let me show you. See, you can take any method. Which one? This is patch method, right? Okay. Patch means division. Let me go here. See, try it. Can you see here? Second one, number 2, required equal to false I made.
Yes.
If I mention false here, you don't want to specify any value here. And this is the optional field. Even if you provide value also, it won't give any error. If you leave blank also, it will not throw any error. Okay. But can you see here?
Yes, sir.
It is throwing error. Number 1 is invalid. Why? Because this is the required field.
Okay. Okay, sir.
That is the difference.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Yes, sir. Whenever we are editing an API, all the time we need to go enable the mock services to.
No, it's not like this. Whenever you want to share your API to customers or clients, that time you have to mock it. Otherwise, not required. We are testing here itself, right?
Yes.
That's it.
Okay.
It depends on client need. If they will ask you, to share this URL, you can do it like this.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay.
Sharing that URL to the client is known as mocking, sir.
That is called mocking. Mocking means to provide a temporary URL to the client applications. That we can call it as mocking.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So today I told you 2 interview questions. What is endpoint? What is mocking? Okay. And then you have to create all these endpoints, 4 endpoints. Okay. Next, tomorrow, what I will do, tomorrow don't miss this session. Very, very, very important.
సార్ స్మాల్ డౌట్ సార్.
Yes.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు సోర్స్ పాత్ తీసుకున్నాక ఇది ఎంటర్ తీసుకుంటారు.
Sorry.
సార్ ఎండ్ పాయింట్ అంటే
సోర్స్ పాత్ తర్వాత
అదే అండి ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్ అని ఇచ్చాను, మీరు ఆన్సర్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయండి, తెలియకపోతే ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్.
షూర్.
ఓకే.
టెంపరరీ యూఆర్ఎల్ అంటే దాని టైం లిమిట్ ఎంత అండి, ఎంత మామూలుగా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయడానికి?
There is no time limit. Okay. Once you share that URL, it will work for you.
So there is no expiration.
No. This is dummy, right? Design.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
సార్ ఇది ఎర్రర్ కోడ్స్ ఇచ్చాం కదా సార్, ఇప్పుడు వేరే కూడా యాడ్ చేశారు కదా 404 అవి.
ఎస్.
అవి ఎలా ఎర్రర్ చూపిస్తారు సార్ మనకు టెస్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు, సెండ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ పంపించినప్పుడు?
That I'll show you.
ఇప్పుడు మల్టిపుల్ ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్, 400 500.
Yes. For this we have to use MS2 concept, mocking service 2. Okay, that is a little advanced. I'll tell you in the coming classes. Okay, any other questions from anybody? No, all are good.
Hi sir, so one doubt. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead Krishna.
సార్ అది టెంపరరీ యూఆర్ఎల్ ఉంది కదా, అది పోస్ట్మ్యాన్ కాకుండా వేరే ఏదైనా ఉంటుందా సార్? అంటే
Yes,
క్లయింట్స్
can say instead of this postman you can use it advanced REST client. Okay. See guys, one more thing, if you have any questions always try to speak in English. Okay, don't ask me in Telugu. Why? Because you are not able to communicate properly. Okay, even though if you done some mistake also while talking, no worries, you are going to learn. Okay, almost we are going to spend 30 to 40 hours, always will speak in English. Okay, so that even whenever you go to work you have to speak with your colleagues. If you don't know Telugu, what you will do? Suppose foreigners will be there, obviously we need to speak in English, correct? So that's why better try to ask me questions also in English. Okay, see if someone is facing issues with the English, if you don't know how to speak it properly, you don't have proper confidence, you just take one English paper. Okay, buy one English paper immediately. Okay, sit in one room. Okay, you can speak, you can read that paper very loudly. That is a tip number 1. 1 second. Next, always you can listen English songs or English stories or FM. Always you can listen. Okay, if you are doing your work, okay, use headphones in one ear, you can keep that. You don't want to listen, okay, you just keep it and leave it like this. What will happen, without knowing your permission, so many words will be stored in your mind. Sometimes automatically whenever you speak, that words will automatically come out. Okay, these are the tips, you just follow it. Okay, so that you can speak English very confidently. Okay, because we are putting almost 2 years or 3 years experience, so whenever you go to office you will behave like software professional. Okay, so that's why they are paying in lakhs. Understood? Okay, still any other questions related to this topic? Okay, if you don't have any questions, fair enough. Tomorrow don't miss this session. Tomorrow very very important. Okay, for interview purpose, and as well as whatever the APIs which you are designed, you have to follow the same structure. Now whatever I explained, this is for your understanding, but this is not an actual approach to keep everything in one root file. We have to see, can you see here in this area, what is this area? We can call it as
File browser.
file browser. In the file browser we are going to create a folders. Inside that we will create some files, and whatever the you can see it here, error code or anything, we need to keep it inside this file. From there we need to access that. So how we are going to do that in tomorrow's session we will see. Okay, now I could see some questions in the chat box.
Excuse me, sir.
One example.
Yes.
Sir, if we will not write an example.
Sir, when we do mocking, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, if we will not write an example in code, so what will happen, sir?
Sorry? That is the syntax, right? You have to write something, right? Whether it is a success or a fail.
That one only we will get output, right, sir?
Yes, correct. See, if I
will not write.
you
What
have
will
to
happen?
respond, right? If I call Sunil, whether you have to respond it or not, right? So here also what will happen, if we are providing any request or response, we need to write this. This is the actual syntax. Okay, any questions you can post me in the chat box. In meanwhile, I'll take questions from scratch. Difference between number and integer, very good question. So both are data type, first thing. So integer, if you give float value, it will not allow, but in the number, if you provide float value, it will allow you. That is the difference. Someone already answered integer, both are numeric value. Yes, but there is a little difference. Okay, yellow ribbon will appear, okay, once it is ideal state, we will get it. Why do we need to add 400, 500 after every application? This is the basic syntax. This is the optional fields, not the mandatory fields. Okay, so that's why I wrote it here. Even if you remove also, nothing will happen. Okay, are you clear, Nikhila? Next, I'll take Sandeep question. Please post the total code once in the chat box before reference only. Okay, I will do that. Daniel.
So can you please explain once again, sir, what is the difference between numeric and integer and float value?
Both are data types, first point. Second point, if you give, okay, let me show you. Okay, integer is there, right? Okay, first this is get method. Let me go with this get method. Click on it, try it. Okay. See, I provided 34 point some value. If I click on this end, see, I'm getting bad request. Why? Because error validating parameter expected type integer found double. Okay. So this won't work in this scenario. Where is number? Okay, put method, right? Let me go with the put method. Try it. Let me try it here. So we got the 200. This is the difference. If you provide number, it will allow you float values. If you give integer, it will allow only integer value. Understood? Okay, that is the syntax. Every API we need to specify the correct dummy URL. This is the temporary URL, not dummy URL. Mocking means yes, to provide a temporary URL. Okay, in Postman, we have to know only about testing, or is there anything else to know? Nothing. We want to test it. Application. While we are writing a syntax in API creation, why we are maintaining space? That is intention. That is necessary, obviously. End point. That I gave as an interview question. Try to answer it today. Okay, if not, I can answer you. Okay, Daniel, for using any point platform which is used in the market, Postman or advanced REST client, 99% advanced, they are using Postman. Advanced REST client only MuleSoft, if they will provide any training, they will go with this option. But in the companies, 99% they are going to use Postman. 1% they are using advanced REST client. Any chance can we see the advanced REST client as well? Yes, you can download it. Come to Google, just type advanced REST client. Okay. So I don't want to use this. For you, I can show you in the image how it will be. So your advanced REST client will be look like this. Okay, here we need to, let me show you different voila. You can understand easily. Okay. So it will be much similar to our Postman. You can select the method. If you click on drag and drop, all methods will come. So you can post the URL here. If you send the request here, then you will get the response. Both will be same. You can download whatever you want, advanced REST client or Postman. Anything is fine. Okay. Spacing between lines to know where that indentation, by practice you will get it. Please provide yesterday interview answers from your point of view. I am already prepared from my side. Yes, I am going to provide all this PPT at the end. Okay. After entering the single error code, we have to test a result is okay. But after entering multiple error codes also we are getting, yes, same, because this is dummy. Can we test the whole API at a single shot? No. Can you call 3 people at a time? No, right? See, if I want to call someone, if I want to call Sheikh, first I have to call you, then I can call someone. Here also same way. At a time, you cannot call 3 endpoints. Even if you take any real world example, say suppose if you take a red bus, first you have to click on the search bus. Okay. Then only it is going to display the searches. Then you can book a ticket. Okay. All we cannot do at a time. Why we are using before resource path? We are not using. So first you just understand what is endpoint. What is the point of protocols? Protocols for security purpose, we are going to use this. Okay. HTTP and HTTPS. To secure your API, we are going to use HTTPS. I will show you practically in the development session where we are going to use this HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, I hope I answered all your questions. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how to access class recordings from today onwards? Are we going to provide any link or something?
Yep. Actually, we created group, right? Still today we gave some, some people, they added today. Why? Because due to, their personal reasons, few people didn't pay the fee. Maybe for tomorrow, they are going to pay the complete fee, so that once they will pay the remaining people, what we will do, we are going to collect your mail IDs from the group itself. So once you shared all your mail IDs, we will explain you the procedure, how we'll get the videos, materials, interview questions. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, guys, if you don't have any questions, I'm going to wind up the session now. We'll catch up tomorrow, same time.
Thank you.
Thanks, Al. Bye. Take care.
Sir, one question actually. This is Harish.
Mm-hmm.
I actually downloaded Postman and I'm trying. I've mocked this API which I've developed and I'm trying to test it in Postman, but I'm getting error actually.
What error you are getting?
There was error connecting to this link it is coming. Could not get any response.
Can you post in the group? I can help you.
Yeah, sure. I'll take a screenshot and I'll post it in the group.
Okay. Thank you. Perfect.
Okay. Sure. Are you going to send link today's class link?
Yeah. Today's class link, you will get it.
Okay. Thanks.
Thanks, all.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes, Artha, go on.
When I'm posting URL in Postman, sir, I get error 404 not found, sir. So
something you made a mistake. You just post that screenshot in the group. I can help you.
So today itself I pay the amount, sir, but tomorrow I have received for the mail, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so tomorrow I will send my mail ID, sir.
Okay, we will ask you. Okay.
Okay.
Everyone will. Okay. Thanks,
Sir,
Alba.
is comments allowed in Ramel?
Yes. I'll show you how to write that comments on.
Thank you.
Yep. Bye. Take care.